Register your account on KEDI app today in simple steps and enjoy unrestricted access to more exclusive features. To register as a distributor, click on Me icon on the app homepage. Click on Member icon. Click on Distributor Register. If you would like to register with your email, select Register with Email. But if you would like to register with phone number, select Register with Phone Number. Read the disclaimer and click on Next. Follow the prompts, provide all the required information, set your desired password. Your password should be 6 digits or letters and above. Confirm the password, input your email address or the phone number you registered with. Then click on the verification box. A verification code will be sent immediately to your email address or phone number. Input the verification code from your email inbox or SMS inbox and click on register. Proceed to log in with the KEDI number you registered with and the password you provided during registration. Ensure that the KEDI number you input is in the right format, else your registration process will not be successful. To activate your Service Center account and for more information about registering your account on KEDI app, contact our customer care team and you will be guided. KEDI app, simple, fast, reliable. KEDI, the partner we trust.